Today we are looking at a 1968 Bulova Accutron Spaceview. When these came out, they were one of the world's first electric watches. And what makes this watch really unique is that it uses a tuning fork powered by electromagnets to keep the time. Operating at 360 Hertz, the second hand has a completely smooth sweep. And if you listen closely, you can hear it hum. This watch is also very accurate. Well maintained and regulated, this watch can run at plus or minus 2 seconds a day. This example uses a 2-1-4 movement. A neat feature is that there is no crown on the side of the case. It is hidden on the back. Later models used a 2-1-8 movement and the crown was moved to the 4 o'clock position. I acquired this watch at an NAWCC event for a good price. I did have to do some work on it though. I replaced the hands, a gasket or two, and the crystal. There is one part I haven't been able to find, and that's the reflector ring. It looks great without it, but I haven't been able to find one for the right diameter. That's the downside of vintage watches. Parts can be hard to find. You'll find examples that have been serviced on eBay and ready for a new wrist. It all depends on how much you want to pay. Prices for running examples can start around $300 to $400 and go up. I also chose a gray NATO strap because I'm a big fan of NATO straps, and this one looks great on it. It is from Zulu Diver. They have very high quality straps, and I'm actually getting ready to order a metal shark mesh strap for my dive watch. It's sad that quartz watches eventually won out over these movements, but for any serious watch collector, they're gonna have a battery powered watch in their collection. It's probably an Accutron. One other electric watch I wouldn't mind having by Accutron is called the Astronaut. It's a GMT watch. It was developed for the space program, for pilots, and the consumer market really liked it. They sold a few different variations. It used the same 2-1-4 movement, but Bulova had a partnership with NASA, and during the space race, they also developed electric timekeeping for satellites and spacecraft. What do you think about these watches? Would you add one of these to your collection? Let me know in the comments, and thank you so much for watching.